Social icons are no different from regular icons. You can change the icon in the icon library. To change the icon color, change the color to custom. Primary color is background color. For the secondary color, modify the icon color. You can add a link. Click the link setting icon. You can choose New Tab option, No Follow option, when clicked. You can also specify the icon type, and the sort method for the number of columns. In Style tab, change the color of icons and backgrounds. Modify the size, padding, and spacing between icons. Row gap adjusts the spacing between rows when the icon has more than 2 rows. You can also set the outline. Let me show you making the icon size larger. Change the roundness of the corners with border radius. Change the style when hover. Hover animation is an animation that is displayed when a mouse over. The motion effects in the Advanced tab are animations, to show when the section loads. Alert is a notification window. 4 types are available. The Dismiss button is the X button at the top right. If you want to create a style more than the 4 basic types, you can do so in the Style tab. In this way, you can change the background and text color. You can also apply the motion effect of the alert window. There is a sound cloud. Let me explain shortcode with the contact page. Add a shortcode. One of the most popular contact form plugins is WP Forms. I installed this plugin and created a form. As you can see, it provides a shortcode for the created form. Copy this shortcode. Paste it into the shortcode edit box. Then you can see that the form added by WP Forms is output in the corresponding area. To edit the contents of the shortcode, you need to edit the post in the WP Forms plugin. HTML is a function that simply adds HTML. It is a component that can be used more usefully than you think. If you enter the HTML code in this way, it will be applied immediately. If you want to add custom CSS, use the style tag. Just code your CSS. It's so useful, right? I showed you before how to add custom fonts with the Orbit Fox plugin. If you don't want to install the Orbit plugin and want to use custom fonts, in case of you want to load custom fonts without Orbit Fox plugin, you can use the HTML code. Let me show you from now on. If you want to show the content in black Gothic font, link the font. Create a div tag and put your content in it. Add a class. Add a class called Black Hands. Specify the font family of this class and the style. As you can see, the font is applied even if the font link is deleted. It means that the font is included by default. Many fonts included by default. When you want to use a font not provided by default, as you can see, this time, it doesn't apply. In that case, copy the web font usage code. Add it inside the style tag. Now you can see the font has changed. Let me increase the font size. You can use it other sections in this page. Just add the CSS class in the Styles tab. I changed it and it still doesn't work? This is because a specific font is already specified in typography option. Change it to default. Anchors is useful when you use with JavaScript IDE. Hyperlink within a page. Write the shop ID in the button link. When click this button, it is taken to the anchor. The sidebar is simply adds a sidebar. This is same as the widget menu under Appearance and Dashboard. Create a column, and add a sidebar. Specify the sidebar to be displayed. Read more is only available on the archive page. It doesn't seem useful feature. The archive page for this theme is News page. It is the read link here. To render post archives, you have no choice but to use a plugin. In the Premium add-on, add a premium blog. It offers decent features and design. Among the options, select link in excerpt type. Then a read more link will appear like this. The text path is a function that creates a uniquely designed text. It provides a variety of arch designs. Edit the text options appropriately.